All right, guys, so there's a trend out there for low profile XLR cables, specifically for bands that are putting together a mobile monitoring system using a digital mixer, and space is always an issue. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve that with possibly your existing cables. Unless you want to color code them, then you may have to buy some other XLR connectors. But here I have three different models. I have a new trick here. This is a Seismic Audio, and these are some brands I brought from China, which are actually good quality. It comes with the boot and the sleeve. Already comes in color for both male and female. So I bought in Amazon these caps, and the thread for these three, it's a 17 millimeter by 1.0 pitch. And I'm gonna show you. Here's the new trick. I set it in there. See, it sits inside. And then what's awesome about this is that these have a notch already right there. So once you need to screw it in, you get your flathead screwdriver and you turn that baby, and it's pretty tight, right? So now, again, it works on all of them. So I'll just show you guys so that, I'm not trying to pull your leg. There you go. So it goes in. So the China brand right here, which, you know what? It's actually really good. It's good quality. I bought already 2 times from the same seller. I got 30 pairs for like $60, including shipping. So it's awesome. So there you go. Sits right in there. So now, next step, how will we create the opening for the cable? Well, I started doing one. So you can slide the cable out to make repairs if you need to. And also, for example, this one has been cut so that the wire will hang directly at the bottom at 6 o'clock. So if you need a custom angle, you can just cut the notch, on the XLR, both the female and male sides. And after I went ahead and cut this stuff, just to prove it to you guys, again, I took the cap, and as you can see there, it's going in. Perfect, nice and tight. So eventually you will need to make notches on your XLR body connectors. You can choose the side where you want to do the notch. So essentially you can have 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 and 9, or anything in between, right? Your choice. What would be a way to do it? Well, you can get a grinder. So my first one, I got this disc is not that thick. It's maybe 3/16 or 1/8 or so. And I had to make the opening bigger. So what I got now is I got a bigger disc, and this should be more than enough to get the wire through. You don't have to make it that big. I guess it depends on the needs of the wire that you're going to be feeding through there. So you can, I guess it's your choice, do it by hand, or what I just did is I have this piece of an old cymbal stand arm, and it actually slides in there pretty nice, which gives you leverage to grab that piece, snug it, right? So your hand is not that close to the grinder. Or you can take this and put it on a vise and just cut. So I'm gonna cut it right now, and just to make that opening a little bigger, and then I'll show you guys after that. All right, guys, so there's the bigger notch. I used a file just to clean that off. Here's, for example, this snake that I'm gonna be converting. I take the connector, slide it in place, and I get the wires, put them through the notch, as you can see. Then I get my cap. And that's pretty snug. So there you go. right there. $9 of 20 caps of these. You can create 10 cables off of that. You know, you need more, well, just buy more. Again, these are 17 millimeter by 1.0 pitch caps on Amazon. There are different types. This is the one that works so far for me. It's the first one I purchased and it worked. All right, guys, I hope this helps. You know, it's pretty snug, so I don't foresee this having any issues. All right, here's the result of the 8-channel snake that I have. There it is, guys. It's doable. I hope this, you know, helps you guys, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. You just need to buy those caps. So there it is, the low profile in action. You can see how much space we save in the purpose of that, so that I can close this while the snake is there without having to remove it. See, space saver right there. So there you go, guys. I hope that helps you guys.